Get ready to embrace the ultimate fall transformation. As the crisp autumn air arrives, so do a whole new set of design trends that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. But here's the twist. These trends are not just about aesthetics. They're about creating spaces that are cozy, unique, and deeply connected to nature. We've consulted two renowned interior designers, LaMarque and Chou, who have shared their insights on the top fall decor trends for 2025. From earthy materials to playful vintage accents, get ready to dive into a world of design inspiration that will make your home feel like a warm, inviting haven. Stone statements, a foundation of earthy elegance. This year, it's all about bringing the outdoors in with a focus on natural, earthy materials. Stone, in particular, is taking center stage. LaMarque suggests bold bathroom vanities and dramatic side tables with rich veining to make a statement. Fall is the perfect time to create warm and cozy spaces with these natural textures, offering a sense of comfort and grounding. Custom DIY elements, adding personality with ease. Maximalism is here to stay, and this fall, furniture is embracing it with open arms. Chou highlights the desire for custom finishes, from brushed bronze lamp bases to hand-stained side tables. The best part? You don't have to break the bank or sweat it out. Small, accessible choices like swapping cabinet poles or refreshing a dresser with a matte paint finish can instantly give your space a custom feel. Saturated, nature-inspired hues, a fresh take on autumn. Say goodbye to dull, safe colors and hello to a vibrant, nature-inspired palette. Chou anticipates a mix of earthy midtones like clay, terracotta, olive, and moss, set against deep indigo or smoky plum. This unique combination pays homage to nature while still feeling modern and fresh. LaMarque recommends trying these colors on cabinetry, walls, and molding for a welcome change from the usual neutrals. Vintage accents, sustainable style with a twist. As sustainability becomes a priority, fall offers a perfect opportunity to incorporate secondhand furnishings in creative ways. LaMarque encourages repurposing old items like reupholstering a chair or displaying flea market finds. It's a fun way to add personality and reduce your environmental footprint. Sculptural forms, practicality meets art. Chou is excited about the trend of practical objects taking on sculptural forms. From ceramic vases with curvy silhouettes to table lamps with rounded bases, these pieces add both decor and functionality to your space. It's a unique way to bring art into your everyday life. Cozy, irregular textures, rugged comfort. Cozy textures are a fall staple, but this year it's all about adding a rugged, rough edge. Chou describes it as a moment of tactile comfort where boucle throws, rattan surfaces, and raw wood accents create warmth and dimension. Curvy silhouettes, soft and approachable elegance. Curvaceous furniture is making a subtle appearance this season, joining vintage and retro silhouettes. LaMarque notes that these gentle curves create atmospheres of timeless elegance. Chou adds that rounded edges and organic curves bring a sense of ease and warmth to any room. So, are you ready to embrace these fall decor trends and transform your home into a cozy, stylish haven? Remember, it's all about adding your unique touch and creating a space that reflects your personality. Now, go ahead and get inspired.